online world, sometimes we get bombarded with too much information. But is it really helping us or working for us to make real money? So one of the things that I want to focus here is to build a positive community, okay? A transparent community that will help each other by raising your standard to get whatever you want in life and in your business. So it was 2012 when I quit my job. And you know, quitting your job is not a joke, especially if you quit your job together with your husband. So giving up two salary paycheck each month. I know there's a reason why you are here right now, why you are watching this video right now. Either you want me to help you to make your first breakthrough online or to help you build your own business from home. So here's my promise to you. I want to give you what you came here for, but I hope that you are here because you want to build your solid business that you can fully control, that will generate money or income for you for years to come. How to build a successful business that you can literally apply it to anything out there. This will help you in the end to be on your own. I will put out all my best effort to help you to position yourself to get your own massive success. So I want to talk about on what you really need to help with, because I do not want to leave you behind in doing things that you do not fully understand in running a successful business online or from home. So let me share you some messages that I am receiving. So this is one of them. So hi Miss Jeng, I found your video tips recently on YouTube and I consider this as blessings. Sincerely, I know it would be a great help for me to start and grow my network marketing business. Even before, I'm so skeptic to those speakers who said that all I need is two people and that's it. I will get rich. Sad, not true. I know this because I also been with network marketing business. And I know I'm missing something, but with your help, wow, all I can say is thank you. So I hope you'll accept my friend requests and more video tips on YouTube. I've already subscribed at your channel again. Thank you and God bless. This message hit me because I can talk a bunch of stuff, but if it is not relevant to you, I'm just simply wasting my time and effort. Same thing with you for not getting the result that you want. So for the past few months, I've been figuring out and working so hard to serve you better because I am looking forward to hear your own success story. I want to give you a better insight, but I need your help to give me more feedback so I would know how can I serve you more better to get your massive success. So I want to hear your voice. Shoot me an email or post your comment in any of my posts. If I can get this one thing in your head, it's not about the product that you are selling. It's about the strategy, how you can implement this strategy and the enjoyment along the process of doing it, doing what you love. So what I want is for you to do it right from the very beginning, to make a big impact to your life, to make a difference with you in making things simple, in shaping the life into your liking. So I want to elevate yourself. I want you to elevate yourself, be extraordinary, and just not be settled like many other marketers out there. If you are just getting started, you do not want to do what the majority are doing. You want to be always above your competition. I want to challenge you to be extraordinary in doing the things in your business. What I want to happen is I want people to see you, that you have this full control. It's not all about buying your product. It's not all about using your services, but it's all about you. I want people to buy you. All right? Be a specialist. So I want you to dominate in whatever niche you are doing. At the end of the day, you can see different outcomes in your business. So bear in mind that you need money to make money. So if you invest $1 to your business or to your ad, make sure that you are making more than $1 in return. Because if you spend $1 and you are earning 80 cents, stop what you are doing. Okay? So learn how to create a click that converts to your business. That's the most important thing that you should learn and discover. I want you to get engaged in loving of what you do and shaping your life into your liking. You are here for a reason. You are here to build your dream. Okay? I know you can do it. So help yourself. Everything will start with you, your commitment, your dedication, and how you invest in educating yourself to get your massive success.